In this video, we would learn about how to create multiple PAC visits. Let's start by finding the client and navigating to the client schedule. Once you're on the client schedule, select the date on which the PAC episode begins. To create multiple visits, you can either right-click and click on Create Multiple Visits, or you can directly click on the Multiple Visits icon. The first thing to choose is the correct episode. You would notice that all the active episodes would be listed. In this case, I'm choosing the ISPAC ESLAT 19B episode. You may choose to enter the expiration date of the episode. In this case, we're assuming that the client is funded for 5 PAC visits which expire after the 21st. Do select the priority code of the visit as it helps the schedulers and the visiting staff. You can enter visit-specific comment here. Once you've done this, click on Multiple Visits. Once the multiple visit window opens, you would notice that the visit stop date is already taken in. Enable the days on which the visit needs to be created by clicking on checkbox as shown. Let's start by creating 5 visits one at a time. For the Friday, enter the start time of the visit, and the stop time. Shift code is the client lat area. You could always find the lat area information at the background. The client in this case is from work group 6, lat area 19B. So I'm going to select the lat area of 19B simply by typing in 19B. You're not required to update the bill duration and the pay duration. In the bill serve, select the right one by typing in RN, which stands for registered nurse, and you would see that if it's a Monday to Friday visit, select RN 3001. Follow the same steps for Saturday. Enter the start time and the stop time of the visit, the lat area. The Saturday, Sunday being a weekend visit, we'll be selecting a different bill serve. For the Saturday, type in RNST, which stands for Registered Nurse Saturday 3001. Follow the same steps for Sunday. Enter the client area, which is lat 19B. Because this is a Sunday visit, select RNSN and select 3001. For Monday, we'll follow the same steps. And we're back on a weekday, so we would select RN 3001, which says Registered Nurse Monday to Friday home visit. Same steps to be followed for the Tuesday visit. Click on Validate to ensure that the visits are valid. Click OK and click Close. If you know the care plan activities that are required for these visits, you can add them by clicking on the Care Plan tab and clicking on Add Delete. You can choose the correct care plan activities from the drop-down. To choose the right one, highlight, and you can use the up arrow key to move them up into the visit. You can also double-click them to move up. Come back to the General tab. Do a quick review on the fact that you've chosen the correct episode, the priority code, the visit start date and end date. Click OK. Click yes to save the changes. You would notice that the current action that Procura will take is to book these visits as unfilled and send them to the planner, which is called client tasks. However, we want these visits to be sent to the unfilled workgroup planner where the client belongs to. To choose the correct unfilled workgroup planner, navigate to the correct unfilled workgroup planner. You would notice that the same ELAT area information would guide you to the correct unfilled workgroup planner. In this case, I'm selecting unfilled East workgroup 6. The next step is very critical. We have to click Planner All to ensure that the action changes from client tasks and sends it to the unfilled East workgroup 6. Once you've done that, click OK. You would notice that we have successfully created 5 unfilled visits and sent it to the planner.